MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
So Martin, this is a 3 metre machining centre from XYZ. Is this about the biggest that you do?
Yeah, this is about the biggest VMC that we do.
Okay, and what is the capacity?
This is a 3 metre X-axis machine, 1 metre in the Y-axis with a twin ball screw paired system.
Okay, is it a new model to the range?
Yeah, we've had this one for about 12 months now, so there's 3 in this range, so we're starting off with a 2 metre all the way up through to the 3 metre.
Okay, seeing the machine with the guards around it is of interest to engineers, but sometimes knowing more of the intricate parts about the machine is more interesting.
Yeah.
So is there anything that stands out in terms of the build quality?
Yeah, absolutely. With the 1 metre Y-axis and the twin ball screws in there, like I've said, you've also got 6 slideways on that Y-axis to give you improved rigidity with the machine. And we're all about rigidity within XYZ, and we want a really strong piece of machinery underneath.
Okay, so when we're talking about rigidity, what sort of work pieces might you be machining with a machine of this nature?
Well, we're not kind of restricted on that, to be honest. We can do any type of material you like on the machine. So anyone from doing aircraft industry to general engineering, it's designed for the bigger work.
And what about the spindle itself? Is it a gearbox?
A gearbox is an option on the machine. As standard, it's a BT40, but you can go up to BT50, you can go up to a gearbox head as well.
And when you make those changes, is there any difference in the spindle speed?
No, we still stick with an 8,000 RPM spindle on the machine, and that's throughout the range.
Okay, now with it being a big machine, subcontractors, I know you sell into other markets other than subcontractors, but it is a big machine. So is there a big market for machines of this size?
Oh, this isn't for everybody, don't get me wrong. You are talking about bigger work for environment, and these are going to typically go into big factories, and they're already geared up for this size of machine.
Yeah. Siemens Control, this is a control that's obviously popular at XYZ.
Yeah.
Is it Siemens Control only?
Yes, so we only offer the Siemens Control on the machine. We have done other controls in the past, but we've typically stuck with the Siemens Control. It's our expertise.
And you can program this control using shop mill, do you have that?
Yes, shop mills on the control, 8 to 8 control on the machine, and we offer full training packages with the machine. They're included in the price of the machine.
Okay, and going back to moving parts, if I was looking for the ultimate in accuracy and I was thinking about scales and things like that, again, are they options you can have with this machine?
Absolutely. We can fit on height 9 scales onto the machine, and you can go from 1 axis to all 3 axes.
Well, it looks like a very attractive machine and I'm sure very practical and a good machine for somebody that's looking for something a little bit bigger and a little bit more heavy duty. So thanks a lot for your time, Martin.
Thank you.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.